Hello everybody, welcome back to KantanFood by Satoshi. Happy New Year! I hope you are having a wonderful New Year days. In Japan, we eat so many foods in New Year's days. And on January 7th, we eat Nanakusa Kayu Porridge with 7 vegetables to rest our stomach. Today I want to introduce how to make it. In Japan, it is very easy to get the ingredients of Nanakusa Kayu. It is sold in one package like this. Seri, Nazuna, Gogyo, Hakobera, Hotokenoza, Suzuna, Suzushiro. More than half of them are very difficult to find in regular season. Just in this time, just a New Year season, we can get this. So it means it is very difficult to find in your place, I think. If you can find, you are very lucky. Please use that package. But if you cannot find it, you can use other vegetables, herb vegetables. Today I will use herbs or vegetables very easy to find at your supermarket. Today I'm gonna use rosemary, cresson, rucola, rocket, celery, using only the leaf part, and Italian parsley, turnip, and radish. I think it is easy to find at your place. So let's start cooking. First, I'm gonna make blue rice porridge. Put 1 Japanese rice cup of rice. It's about 3/4 of US cup uncooked rice, and pour 1 liter of water, about 4 US cup, and turn on heat and bring to a boil. It takes about more than 30 minutes, so if you don't have time, please use cooked rice. In that case, please use the water 2 or 3 times of rice. So during cooking rice, let's prepare vegetables. So first, rosemary. Use about 5 centimeter because rosemary has strong flavor. I don't want to be disturbed all the flavor of vegetables by this rosemary. So just a little bit, Okay. Next, I'm gonna prepare cresson. All of these ingredients I chop like this. So in Japanese recipe, they recommend to boil once before chopping because the vegetables have a bitterness. To remove the bitterness, they boil once, but today I am using raw edible vegetables, so you don't have to boil before chopping. So next one is rucola. I like rucola. This has a very nice aroma. Chop like this. I always use for my salad. Set aside. Celery. So I only use leaf part. I will eat as it is later. So set aside. Italian parsley. Chop. Chop. If you cannot find Italian parsley, you can use regular parsley. Or you don't like parsley flavor, please omit it. Set aside. So it is boiling, so turn to low and simmer until it becomes like glue, porridge. Next vegetable is turnip. You can use this grass pot too if you want, and I'm gonna use 2. So chop it like this. And this size is too big for my porridge, so cut into half. So I will use this for another cooking. Remove skin. Of course, you can use this skin too if you like. And in that case, please wash carefully. then cut like this. This shape, I think this shape is beautiful and pretty. Cut. It's like almost slicing, not chopping, slicing. Okay, then set aside. And the last ingredient is radish. And in this case, of course, you can use this leaf part too. Okay, I'm gonna chop this leaf part, green part first. Yeah, I like the radish leaf flavor. Set aside and slice this. If you have slicer, I think it's easier, but I don't want to wash it, so I'm using my knife. Okay, set aside. So the preparation of ingredients are done. And that's all. It's pretty easy to prepare. Okay, let's wait. The porridge has done. So, rice glue porridge is ready, I think. Let's check. Okay, yes, it's ready. Nice okayu. It's beautiful okayu. So, here, put these ingredients inside. All ingredients. Of course, don't forget rosemary. Then mix. So I mixed, and this one, it has no taste. Still no taste. The condiment is only salt. Only salt. Of course, you can add anything you want, but we simply eat with salt. So add 2 teaspoons of salt, but I recommend to put 1 teaspoon of salt and adjust at your preference. So first I put 1 teaspoon of salt, and let's taste first. I think half teaspoon is okay. Add half teaspoon. Then mix. I don't eat so salty stuff, so I just added 1.5 teaspoon of salt. And cook. Turnips and radish are done. It's pretty simple, isn't it? Trust me, it's very delicious. Okay, it's ready. Take some and put into your favorite bowl. And my Nanakusa Kayu 7 vegetables rice glue or porridge is ready. いただきます。My 7 vegetables porridge. It looks beautiful. Vivid green and radish red is a very good accent, I think. Regularly, we don't have this accent color, all green and white. Simple color. いただきます。Variety of vegetable aroma, vegetable flavor is inside of this bowl, and the turnip texture is a good accent. Still retain the crispiness, and the herb mix is really nice. Rosemary, celery, cresson, variety of vegetable flavors. And this makes my body very warm. Japanese, the spring Nanakusa, spring 7 vegetables, half of them are like weed. It's a spring weed. There is a reason why we eat this. because those vegetables grows even in this cold winter. So it gives us a vital power. Yes, it's very good for New Year's. And some of them are very good for your digestion. You can rest your stomach with this porridge, rice gruel. So hope you guys enjoyed today's my cooking. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Let us know what you thought in the comment below. Thank you for watching. See you on next delicious video. Bye bye.